I'll send you the games through Discord. This entire stream will be gone. What is going on? Oh wait, that's a backflip ramp. What the heck is going on? Wait! What is going on with Leo? I'm so slow. Oh, I'm sliding. Oh, Gravedigger's got it. Digger's got it. I don't want to lose. Oh no, he's so tiny. Look at him go. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Oh, ouch. 5-second penalty for Max. I win, baby. Oh, hi, Kurt. Kato, what did I say earlier? Let me find it myself without any clues.
Not bringing back old Roblox.
Without any clues.
We are not bringing back.
Why did you tell me it's in Denver?
We are not bringing back old Roblox.
Are you sure?
We are not bringing.
Because you said Denver, it's in Denver. And before that, Ryder was screaming Denver in the chat.
Bringing back old Roblox.
Well, this is why you don't look at Ryder or listen to what Ryder says. He is a bad influence.
No!
Stop whoever's playing that. Alright, hold on. Okay, so here we are. Any idea what the new tracks? I do know what the new tracks are. I don't know when they'll be added though. Is this good enough for you now, Ryder? Do I need to be any louder? I don't really know, Kato. It's a bit. Okay, can't sit down. Come on, bird. Yeah, I'm washed up. I don't know what to say. There we go. Finally. Yup. Okay. I'm bad! Why? Why me? Why me? Get away from me! What? What? Seer! What? This is gonna be bad. He's over. No, he's not! Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh no, Kato's here! Kato's here! Panic! 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 Oh no! Uh-oh. Oh, that's great! Oh, that's great!
I'm just gonna ask you, what's the first thing you need when you walk into a kitchen?
A knife?
A knife!
Yes! Yes! Let's go, Kato! Oh, shoot it! I'm too good for you. I'm too good.
Get over here, Kato.
Hurry! 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 Yes! No! Okay. Go, Kato. Kato, that sucks! Oh my god! It's clear! Oh. Man, you ruined my ride! What the heck? Kato! Can't even move out of bed. I still feel like... Hey, no swearing in my chat, Tristan. Fix that right now. There's an egg! Egg!